Welcome to my channel, friends. Today you're about to witness something that redefines luxury on wheels. Imagine taking the legendary Kenworth W900, already one of the most iconic trucks in the world, and transforming it into a 2026 double-floor motorhome beast. Yes, you heard that right. A motorhome that doesn't just roll but dominates the road with 2 full floors of space, technology, and luxury. This isn't just travel. It's living in a moving palace. Buckle up because what you're about to discover will blow your mind. The Kenworth W900 2026 edition isn't your average motorhome. Its sheer size and power instantly capture attention, but what really sets it apart is the double-floor design. Imagine the convenience of a high-rise suite on wheels, offering more space than most apartments. The exterior is sleek, bold, and futuristic, yet it still carries the raw muscular DNA of the W900 truck. Large panoramic windows give it an open, airy presence, while advanced suspension makes every ride feel smooth. Its LED lighting and chrome details scream luxury even before you step inside. Once the automated stairs lower, you're stepping into a world where innovation meets extravagance. Step inside, and the first thing that makes you pause is the kitchen of dreams. This isn't a cramped corner with a sink and microwave. Instead, you'll find a full chef's kitchen featuring dual induction cooktops, a smart refrigerator, convection oven, and even a wine cooler. Cabinets are soft close finished in high-gloss wood and metallic accents. The countertops are made of polished stone, giving the kitchen a truly premium look. A digital control panel manages everything, from climate settings to smart lighting. The dining area extends seamlessly, allowing a family to sit together in style. This kitchen isn't just functional, it's designed to make cooking on the road an absolute luxury. Move deeper, and you'll find the bedroom that rivals a 5-star hotel suite. The Kenworth W900 motorhome's double-floor design makes space for a king-sized bed with memory foam mattress, smart mood lighting, and side-reading lamps. Walls are padded with noise-canceling insulation for ultimate privacy. Large panoramic windows give breathtaking views wherever you park. Storage is abundant, with closets and underbed drawers designed to carry weeks' worth of clothing. A mounted smart TV with surround sound creates the perfect entertainment zone. Add in the premium upholstery and gold-accented finishes, and you've got a bedroom that feels like royalty. On the air now, the bathroom is where Kenworth W900's luxury takes another leap. Forget small, boxy RV bathrooms. This one feels like a spa. There's a full walk-in shower with glass panels, rainfall showerhead, and body jets. The vanity counter features stone tops, premium faucets, and an illuminated mirror with defogging features. Storage compartments are neatly hidden for toiletries. The flooring is heated, ensuring ultimate comfort no matter the season. A high-tech smart toilet with bidet functions adds another layer of modern luxury. Ventilation and air purification systems keep the bathroom fresh. It's more than convenience. It's wellness. Once again, when you step back and admire this Kenworth W900 double-floor motorhome, you realize it's unlike anything else on the road. The spacious design, the power of the W900 chassis, and the futuristic technology combine into a masterpiece. With its luxurious lounges, smart automation systems, and endless comfort, it offers not just travel, but a lifestyle of prestige. This motorhome turns heads at every stop, and for those lucky enough to own it, it becomes more than a vehicle. It's a statement of power, wealth, and revisiting the kitchen. It's worth emphasizing just how practical yet stylish it is. From the large refrigerator to the modular cabinets, everything is built with the traveler's lifestyle in mind. The induction stoves heat instantly, while the oven allows you to cook gourmet meals even in the middle of nowhere. The smart refrigerator can even connect to your phone, letting you manage groceries while on the move. With lighting that adjusts to day and night moods, the dining experience is always special. Even the dining table doubles as a workstation. Truly, the kitchen is the beating heart of this mobile manse. The second highlight, once again, is the bedroom's tranquility. Its double-floor space allows unmatched privacy. The king-size bed feels almost suspended thanks to its sleek design. Noise isolation ensures peaceful sleep even when parked by busy highways. Smart blinds and climate control mean you wake up refreshed at the perfect temperature. The LED-lit ceiling mimics natural skylights, creating an atmosphere of calm. For long journeys, the abundant storage and entertainment system make this more than just a bedroom. It's a luxury cocoon on returning to the bathroom. The second look makes you appreciate the attention to detail even more. Heated flooring, anti-fog mirrors, and luxury showers aren't things you'd expect in a motorhome. Yet here they're standard. The rainfall shower feels like a spa retreat, while the smart ventilation ensures no moisture buildup. Even the lighting has multiple settings, from bright white to soothing warm tones. The high-tech toilet system feels futuristic and adds elegance. This bathroom ensures that every day on the road starts and ends with absolute comfortable. So finally, when we complete look at the 2026 Kenworth W900 Double-Floor Motorhome, it becomes clear why it's being called a beast of luxury. It blends raw trucking power with the elegance of a luxury mansion. From its futuristic kitchen to the hotel-style bedroom and spa-inspired bathroom, every corner screams sophistication. The double-floor design makes it unique, giving unmatched space and comfort. It's not just transportation, it's an empire on wheels. For travelers, it sets a new benchmark. For luxury enthusiasts, it's the ultimate dream. And for Kenworth, it's a proud innovation that redefines the motorhome industry. Ending strong close. So friends, that was the deep dive into the Kenworth W900 2026 Double-Floor Motorhome, the world's first of its kind. A vehicle that blends power, space, and unmatched luxury. If you enjoyed exploring this futuristic masterpiece with me, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow motorhome lovers. Until next time, keep dreaming big, keep traveling in style, and remember, luxury isn't just about where you live, it's also about how you move.